Alam niyo, one of my favorite Bible verses is Romans chapter 8 verse 18. I consider that our present sufferings are not worth comparing with the glory that will be revealed in us. Alam mo, there are days na gusto mo na lang sumuko. Yung tipong ginagawa mo naman lahat pero parang wala pa rin nangyayari. You keep praying, you keep trying, you keep believing, pero minsan, mapapatanong ka na lang na, Lord, kailan? But alam niyo, one thing I've realized is this. Hindi pala palaging naiintindihan ng present version natin kung bakit may mga bagay na kailangan natin pagdaanan. And sometimes, God is not making your life harder. Sometimes, He's preparing you for something greater. Kaya yung pain na nararamdaman mo ngayon, it might be building the strength you all need tomorrow. At yung delay na kinaiinip mo ngayon, it might be actually God's protection. In the battle you are fighting today, could be preparing you for the blessing you've been praying for. Kaya, if you're in the season where everything feels heavy, alam mo, don't lose hope. Kasi hindi pa naman tapos yung story mo. So, keep trying, keep trusting, keep praying. Kasi one day you look back and realize na God is not ignoring your prayers. He was preparing you for everything you've been praying for.